Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 71st session in this journey. So till now we have identified the duplicates by using conditional formatting, but in many cases once you have identified them, you then want to perform some action with those duplicates, right? And in this case, I'm going to remove the duplicates. Now remember, it's two separate steps. Right, first you identify them using conditional formatting as we did in the last video, and in second we are now going to remove them. You could just remove them, but then you would never usually see which records were actually duplicated. Take a look. I'm going to click on my list. Doesn't matter where, you're going to find duplicates or remove duplicates feature in two different places because my list has been formatted as a table. I go to my design tab, and on my design tab far left you have the remove duplicate option. Now if you did not format your table, then I would need to go to my data tab, and on my data tab I have got the remove duplicate option. So just depends, if you haven't formatted your list as a table, you go to your data tab. If you have, you can go to your design tab. Either method, they are exactly the same. So for me, because I am already on the data tab, I will go ahead and go to remove duplicates and click on it. And this opens up my remove duplicate window, where it now wants me to identify what I consider a duplicate, and I do this by telling it which column it should be comparing to identify the duplicate. So right now it says every single column is selected, right? If you see, so if every single value in a record matches every single value in another record, you don't consider it a duplicate. That's great. But you know what? Think about this. This is employee information, right? And we got names in here. Well, because all of them are selected, I could potentially miss one. What if I have an employee named Robert, right? And then Robert gets entered a second time into this list, but the second time Robert gets entered, somebody called them Rob or Bob. Well, because of the first name is different, Excel will treat it as a unique record. So that may not be very effective in this case to have all of them checked. But for me, the only thing that I am really concerned with, I'm going to unselect all here, and I'm going to choose just the employee ID. For me, if the employee ID duplicates, that means I have a duplicate record in here, because each employee should only have their unique ID. So I'm going to check that employee ID and I'm going to hit OK. The moment I hit OK, we are going to get another window up here, but it's then going to remove any duplicates and they are now gone. No longer in the list. I'll hit OK. So if you see here, 11 duplicate values found and removed, 51 unique values remain. So I'll hit OK. And now if I scroll through, you won't see that red text anymore. I have now removed and are down to 50 records. So I have now removed those duplicates within this list. Really simple. In the olden days, you would have to go manually through a list and search it yourself and then delete out anytime you found duplicates. Well, here really simple, data tab, remove duplicates. Tell how you're going to identify the duplicate, by which column considered a duplicate, hit the button and they're gone. Now for me, once again, I like to identify them first. You saw I run the conditional formatting that we talked about in the previous session, and then I remove the duplicates in the next session. So try this out. Make sure you do the conditional formatting. If you didn't watch the previous video, go take a look at that first and then go to your data tab and remove the duplicates and get rid of them. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, take very good care of yourself and have a great day ahead.